What's going on, guys? I hope you're doing well. I got a brand new product on the market that helps keep your charging cable organized and completely off the ground in your garage walkway. Made 100% in the USA, the EV Hover is a 9-foot long extendable 180-degree swivel arm that folds away against the wall. My name is Evan, and if you're new here, welcome. Consider subscribing to the channel to see future content like this. This elevated charging arm improves garage safety, organization, and also helps with the space efficiency. Not only does it work with your Tesla, but also any electric vehicle with various charging adapters. You can see this is what my typical charging setup looks like, with the obvious trip hazard on the floor right to my house entry door. When EV Hover reached out to me and I checked out their website, I already knew this would be a great addition to have in my garage. Made from lightweight aluminum, it can support EV charging cords up to 3/4 of an inch, and the entire unit can be mounted on drywall into a stud or even brick, stone, and concrete. Installing this took me just under 15 minutes, so not too long. Looking at the packaging, it's all pretty straightforward. If you've ever installed a TV mount in your living room, you'll find this super easy to put up, as this follows a very similar concept. The box will also come with a hook to attach to your end cable, and also the hooks and screws for your wall. It even comes with a small level to ensure correct installation. Finally, if you have a mobile connector like me, this small supporting table can also be installed to hold their UMC box. When first taken out of the box, we have to unscrew these two bolts at the bottom to remove the back panel. Use the included hexagon tool to fully remove these screws. Flip the EV Hover on its side and then pull on the back plate to remove. It took me a few minutes to get this off, as I had to use a good amount of leverage to get this popped off. Next, use a stud finder in your ideal charging location and find the correct height for the back plate to be installed. I used one of the screws to push a small hole into the drywall to mark my spot through the back plate. There are a total of 3 holes to mark with this plate. Drill the 3 holes using a bit slightly smaller than the included screws. After the holes are present and you know there's a stud behind the drywall, take the faceplate and ensure the correct orientation. This lip needs to be upward to attach the arm onto the wall. Install 1 screw and use the included level to see if you need to make any small adjustments. After these 3 screws are installed, take your EV Hover arm and install it at a slight angle upward, ensuring the plates align with each other and that the arm is connected into the groove of the faceplate. Push it downward until it's even with the wall, and then reinstall those 2 screws we took out earlier with the included hexagon tool. Now take your scissors and cut off this green tag and extend the arm outward. Now slide on the hook and install the included hex screw, ensuring there's no movement on the hook. Next, clip on all these carabiner hooks at the bottom of all 3 arms. Finally, run your EV charging cord through the hooks, making sure there is enough slack to reach the charging port of your car. Fully extend the charging arm outward and then collapse it to see if it works correctly. Now, if you have a portable EV charging cord like I do, you may want to install this UMC box holder that also comes with the kit. As you can see, the box is affixed to this holder with this Velcro strap. I did a test run to see where I would place this, however, due to my small garage setup with the rear passenger door open, it would actually hit this metal plate. Therefore, I just decided to let the UMC box hang like it did earlier. It's a nice added touch for your charging organization, however, for my case it would not work. And that's all there is to it for the installation. As you can see, it's completely transformed the way I charge my Tesla at night now that it's elevated above me rather than getting all dirty on the ground. Not to mention the trip hazard I had earlier. Again, this will extend a total of 9 feet, so even if your charging port is on the other side of the garage, this arm will reach over another car onto the next parking space to charge your EV at night. We can see by looking at the hook on this arm that one side is slightly larger than the other. The more narrow section will support your Tesla cord, while the wider side will work with many other EV plugs, including the popular J1772 connector. I also have this mobile charger cap protector for my Tesla. Should I accidentally drop the charger on top of my car, the damage should be at least minimal. I'll have links below this video as always should you be interested in getting getting one for yourself along with the EV hover kit. I want to thank Mike over in Illinois for creating and sending me this awesome accessory to show you guys. He's even offering all of my subscribers a coupon to use at checkout to help save some extra money. This has got to be one of the more awesome accessories I've installed this far. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Again, my name is Evan. Until the next one, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.